Hi there, it's Tracy. I am sharing how I created the loopy bow that I included on my spring watering can. I am going to share that with you in real time. So what I'm using is some burlap ribbon. This is 1.5 inch, and I am just measuring about a 10-inch tail. And then for the loop, I like to use like maybe 4-inch loops for depending on the size of my project, will depend on my bow. And honestly, I eyeball a lot of stuff. If it doesn't look right, I just take it, I just undo it and then redo it. And so really this ribbon is so forgiving and you can do that. So I just am making 2 loops and then just holding it in my left hand, scrunching it in the middle, and then the second loop I twist it and make another loop. So I continue to do that until I get the fullness of my bow, and then I'm going to add some of the pink burlap ribbon.